Lesson 2.1.4, Determining Slopes of Perpendicular Lines continues. In this video, we will determine equations of perpendicular lines. Well, maybe we'll catch a bigger fish in this one. Determine an equation for each perpendicular line described. What is the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 4x plus 2 that passes through the point 3, 5? So you may notice that these are the same equations and same ordered pairs, but we're asking for a different thing this time. This time we're talking about perpendicular. So our slope originally was 4, but what we want is perpendicular, and so the perpendicular slope is going to be the reciprocal of this. 4 is really over 1, so then what we're looking for is 1 over 4, and then we will also want the opposite, so negative 1 over 4. X is still 3, y is still 5. So we're going to again be using the y equals mx plus b. So y is 5, m is negative 1/4, x is 3 plus b. So 1/4 times 3 over 1, straight across the top we get 3, straight across the bottom we get 4, and so our slope, our value will be 3/4. So I have 5 equals 3/4 plus b. And then we're going to subtract 3/4 from both sides. Okay, so 5 over 1 minus 3 over 4. Remember that you have to have a common denominator, so that means this 1 needs to be multiplied by 4. But if I do it to the bottom, I'm going to have to do the same thing to the top. So this gives me 20 over 4 minus 3 over 4. And now we can do 20 minus 3 is 17. And the denominator doesn't change. So we get 17 over 4 equals b. Shift all my work over here. And finish writing my equation. So y is now itself. M is still the negative 4/3. Oops, negative 1/4. We're using x as itself, and our b value is plus 17 over 4. Okay, yours should come out a lot nicer than that because 3 will go into the 6, so it works out well. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and you're going to try number 4 right now, and then you'll click continue when you're done. So hopefully you got y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. Again, remember the reciprocal is to, or the perpendicular lines are reciprocals, so since this is 3 over 2, it becomes 2 over 3. And since this is positive, that becomes negative. And with that, that is how you determine an equation of each perpendicular line described. How do you talk to a fish? You drop it a line. I couldn't resist throwing in a fish joke there.